cooking a great chicken soup, you want to go ahead and put it on the highest setting on the large wok. Once we get that nice and hot, we're going to be putting in a total of about 6 cups of water. I love to see the steam come up, so that's what we're doing here. The total, like I said, 6 cups of water. That should serve about 4 people on the soup. I use butter potatoes cut up into quarters, thumb size. Just toss them in there with the hot water. I don't put any spices yet. In reference to the chicken, I usually use drumsticks and thighs. I do remove the excess skin, but I put it in the soup. Chop it up so it's just easier to eat that way. Again, drumsticks and thighs are what I use for this soup. Also for the soup, I use a yellow onion. I use a half an onion. I don't use the whole thing. Chop it up, not too small. Don't need to be too tiny on this. Again, we just want to toss it in there. One of the most important parts of this is to make sure everything is super fresh. This is fresh, large garlic cloves. I use about 5 or 6 of them. Once the water is boiling, I bring it down to 5. In reference to the garlic, I don't make the pieces too small. Again, this is about half a cup of garlic. Toss it in, nice fresh garlic. Makes a huge difference when you're making soup. The spices I use are salt, pepper, adobo or recaito brand Goya, and then turmeric. The most important ingredient for this soup is fresh cilantro. You have to buy it that same day. You can't save it for 4 or 5 days. Try to leave the leaf complete as you chop it, and you can use maybe about an inch of the top of the stem. Don't use the bottom stem. Again, you put in that fresh cilantro about 10 minutes before you serve, so it stays nice and fresh tasting. Chop it up, spread it around. 10 minutes, all the flavor will have saturated the soup. Once that's in, you cook for another 10 minutes. This is the simple chicken soup version with potatoes. Also, you can add carrots and celery. It helps give it a great taste. Having these spices pretty much takes care of that. And of course, it has no noodles. And don't forget, right before you serve the soup, to give it a pinch of lime.